All right, today you are taking your math inventory assessment. If you were at Pope last year or at another Arlington ISD school, then this will be familiar to you. If you're new to the district and new to Pope, make sure you pay close attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to get on. The most important thing is that you have your computer, your headphones, and also your spiral or paper and pencil so that you're able to show your work while you're taking the assessment. Remember, when we take assessments in math, we always want to have something to show our work and write down what we're thinking, because in math, we don't do problems in our head. So the first thing that you're going to want to do to get to the screen of Math Inventory is go to AISD.net. So when you get to AISD.net, you're going to go to the student page and click on Students. You're going to scroll down to Rapid Identity, click that, and go to Rapid Identity Login. When this pulls up, you want to type in your Rapid Identity Login just like you do to get to Canvas or STEMscopes. That's going to pull up your Rapid Identity applications, and Math Inventory will be found at the bottom where it says Read 180/Math Inventory. It has a red square with a book on the inside. And when you click that, it's going to log you in to your side. So this is the teacher side of it. I unfortunately don't have a student demo, but you're going to have it where it pulls up your student part and you're going to click Start Assessment. Please watch the following video on Canvas that has an overview of what Math Inventory will look like. Make sure you watch that before you actually begin.